This example deals with metric conversions involving two-dimensional objects. When you're doing a conversion like this, use the regular steps that you would for any conversion, and then we'll worry about the dimension. So for this example, we're converting meters squared to millimeters. Locate meters on your unit number line, and you'll see that you need to move 3 units to the right to convert to millimeters. That's the same as multiplying by 10 cubed. So we'll start with that. Now we have to worry about the dimension. In this case, it's two-dimensional, or our units are squared. So what we want to do is multiply our conversion factor, in this case 10 cubed, by 2, or we're going to raise it to the exponent of 2. So not multiply it by 2, but raise it to the second power. So that gives me 12 times 10 to the 6th, or 12 million millimeters squared. In this case, they also asked you to write in scientific notation. So even though we have cut that out of the unit, if you wanted to try that, we're going to put our significant digits so that we've got one significant digit followed by a decimal, and then include any other significant digits, and then multiply it by 10, and our exponent is going to be the number of places you had to move the decimal in order to do this. In this case, it would have been 7 spaces to the left. Millimeters squared. In part B, we're converting from centimeters squared to kilometers squared. So again, ignore the squared for a second. 41,500 centimeters squared to kilometers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the left, or multiplied by 10 to the negative 5th power. Once you're done that, account for the two-dimensional aspect by raising the 10 to the negative 5th to the exponent of 2. So you'll know which number to raise it by based on what number your terms are raised to. So this one will be 41,500 times 10 to the negative 10. If you're going to write that out, it actually is a very small number, 0.000000415 kilometers squared. So it would make sense to put that one in scientific notation. So again, you one significant digit followed by a decimal and any other digit you have, multiplied by 10, and just tell me how many times you had to move that decimal. In this case, it's 6 kilometers squared. In the very last case, we're going to convert from kilometers squared to megameters. So locate kilometers. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. It's 389,275 times 10 to the negative 3 because we're moving left. And now we have to worry about the two dimensions here. So we're going to multiply the conversion factor by an exponent of 2, like that. My number's getting big here, so 389,275 times 10 to the negative 6. And when you multiply that out, you actually get 0.389275 megameters squared. And in scientific notation, we would just have to move it 1 to the right to be 3.89275 times 10 megameters squared.